Hey, welcome back to the shop, guys. You're looking at a vintage Stihl 015 AV. This is a very nice running saw. However, it does have a couple things it needs. The bushing for the handle on top needs to be replaced. And the on-off switch does not work. Those are issues you will need to address. Let's fire it up, see how it runs. Use the link below for pictures and details and to buy this saw right now at an incredibly low price. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.